This is Ben. Like most people, Ben is dependent on technology. Every day, he uses his cell phone to chat and surf the net.
Oh, someone text me! Someone text me!
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
He also spends hours on Facebook and Twitter, interacting with celebrities and friends.
I just love to hear about Lady Gaga.
In fact, Ben's life is full of electronics. But Ben also knows when to give himself a break. So be like Ben and enjoy the beauty of nature and breathe in the clean air. Enjoy our ocean, our parks, and our people. And give yourself the chance to interact with them personally.
How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you.
Brought to you by the Healthy Graceful Initiative.
Nature is my therapy.